Okay, let's move on from Google Sheets to Google Slides. All of these software or tools are free to use, including Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. As you can see, they're all cloud-based. You can go directly to it, docs.google.com/presentation. Once you get it completed, it's accessible again from mobile devices, Windows, Mac operating system, and integrates with all the other software on Google. So these are some slides that have been done already, or presentations. You can go ahead and make this available offline or only online. So we can add a new presentation starting from scratch, or we can open an existing one or a template. Once again, let's go ahead and change this presentation to sample one, maybe. Then click on the star, set it as a favorite. And just like Excel, or should I say, just like Google Sheets and Google Docs, we have very similar minimalistic view at the top. Common menu items like the file, edit, view, insert. Again, very customary. Format, this time around, we will be formatting the slide and not a spreadsheet. We also have a slide where we can add a new slide, duplicate the existing slide, delete, and so on. Maybe you want to hide the slide. You can change the background, apply particular layout, be it the title slide, title and body, section header, and so on and so forth. Very similar to what you see with PowerPoint. You can add transitions between slides, you can edit your theme or change your theme. Normally on the right column, you can see the different themes out there. Currently, we're looking at a very simple theme. You can check out the dark theme or streamline theme, and so on and so forth. There are many things, and you can even import your particular theme or download a theme online. Going back to slides, we can arrange them, changing the order of the slides, setting it how you want a particular item on the slide to be distributed or positioned. The tools you can use as well as extensions you can add, just like Google Docs and Google Sheets. The same applies for checking the version or changes to the document, adding comments, sharing it on a call or presenting it. And we can actually check out your slideshow as a presenter or from the beginning. Sharing again, we've already looked at that. Let's go ahead and close that so it's wide enough. You can have a different view of your slides in a grid format. Right now it's just one, so it doesn't really make a difference. Even though you're looking at it in a grid format, you can increase the zoom. You can also go directly from the home icons to change the background. Maybe you prefer something like that, and it's done. You can also change it by adding an image. If the layout is something that we're not interested in keeping that way, maybe we change it to a title slide, or we can change it to a title and a body, and you see all those changes reflected. The theme could also be changed again. You can add a transition. In order to add a transition, we need to add another slide. So let's add a new slide, and we can even go ahead and duplicate that as well. So now we have 3 slides, and we can add a transition. There are a few transition options. They're not as extensive as PowerPoint, so you can flip it and apply it to all the different slides. Okay, so let's go back to our slides homepage and try opening a template. Let's check out those templates again. Maybe we need a party invite right here. We can click on that, it opens it up, and we can go ahead and make all those changes, be it the theme or the background color, or adding images, and so on and so forth. And it's as easy as that. Again, you can save these in different formats: PowerPoint format, open document, presentation, PDF, as an image, and so on and so forth. You can alternatively print it out if you prefer tactile, holding it and feeling it. That's about it for Google Slides.
Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. This is Vitus DK. You already know.